Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to uninstall the Riot client or any of its games because it says the Riot client is still running in the background. Now there are a couple of ways to fix this, but the first thing we need to do is close down any instances of either the Riot client running in the background or League of Legends or the Vanguard application. So just come over to your taskbar in the bottom here, and if you do see the Riot client, we simply just need to right click on this and select exit. And once you're sure that any instances of the Riot client or your games have been closed down, we then need to head over to our Start menu and we're going to search for Task Manager and then just come over to the Task Manager tab. From this list of processes, once again, we just need to ensure that the Riot client is actually completely closed down. So you can use this search box at the top here just to search for Riot. And as you can see, I don't have anything running in here. If you do, then we just need to right click on the process and select End Task. And we're going to do the same by searching for Vanguard. And as long as you've got nothing running inside of here, we can then head out of the Task Manager window and we're going to come over to our Start menu and search for Settings, and then come over to the Settings tab. From the left hand side here, come inside our Apps, select Installed Apps, and we can now try uninstalling our games. Now before we uninstall the Riot client, you'll need to uninstall your games first. So let's say for instance we're trying to uninstall Valorant here. I can just click these three little dots and hit uninstall, and then select the uninstall button. And now as you can see, that's successfully been uninstalled for me, so we can just hit done. Now if you are still getting the error message saying that the application's running in the background, then one more solution for you is we can close out of this window and we're going to head over to the Start menu and this time search for Microsoft Store, and then just head over to the Microsoft Store app. And inside of the search box at the top, you need to search for uninstall and hit enter. And then we're going to come over to this soft organizer tool and hit install. And once that tool's finished downloading, you're simply need to launch up the application. And once the application's open, we can then select the Riot client from our list. Now I've just uninstalled it, so I won't be able to find it in here. But we just need to check the box for the Riot client. I'll just do it for Roblox Player for the time being. And then we can press this uninstall button here, and you can just confirm the removal by hitting uninstall. And that's it guys, that's how you completely remove the Riot client and any of its games from your computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.